Welcome. In this video, we will dive into the concept of normalization in SQL, specifically focusing on the first three normal forms 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF. Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It is crucial for efficient database design and helps prevent anomalies during data operations. Normalization is achieved through a series of stages known as normal forms. We will discuss the first normal form 1NF, second normal form 2NF, and third normal form 3NF, each building on the previous one. First normal form requires that all columns in a table contain atomic values, meaning each value is indivisible. Additionally, each entry must be unique. Here is an example of a table that meets 1NF requirements. Second normal form build on 1NF by ensuring that all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. This means no partial dependencies exist. Here is an example of a table in 2NF. Third normal form requires that a table is in 2NF and that all non-key attributes are not only depend on the primary key but also independent of each other. Let us look at an example of a table that satisfies 3NF. Normalization offers several benefits including reducing data redundancy, improving data integrity, and making updates easier and more efficient. These advantages contribute to better overall database performance. While normalization is important, there are cases where normalization might be beneficial, such as for performance optimization in read-heavy applications. However, this comes with trade-offs, including increased redundancy and potential data anomalies. In conclusion, understanding normalization and its various forms is essential for effective database design. I encourage you to apply these techniques in your own projects to enhance data integrity and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.